Yo, what up, people? It's Vito's Tech, and today I'm bringing you my 1 year experience with the OnePlus 7 Pro. And so I'm not going to sit here and tell you that this phone is perfect, because it's not. But I'm fortunate enough to carry two devices. I carry the Note 10 Plus, and of course, the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now, when I go for a device that I just want to work and just want it to be fast and take care of whatever I need to at that time, this is a device I go to. This phone is fast. And so it comes with the 90 hertz display or the 60 hertz display. But I have never over 1 year knocked this phone down to 60 hertz. I keep it at 90 hertz all the time. And you can see with that scroll motion, look at how smooth that is. This phone is just fast no matter what the task is that you're doing. And it is awesome. And so after 1 year, this phone really, it made me not upgrade to the OnePlus 8 Pro, because this phone has showed absolutely no slowdown. I'm a tech head, but at the end of the day, the upgrade to the 8 Pro just didn't make sense. There is no way I could put this phone down and switch to the 8 Pro for $1,000 now and feel good about that. So I decided to stick with this one for another year. And let me tell you, I regret nothing. The build quality, let's dive into that. In my opinion, this is A1. It's glass and metal, so when you roll over in the morning and pick this up and you get that cool feeling, you're going to be happy every time you hold this device. But the downside of the glass and metal phones are that they are so slippery. I have put this device down so many times and walked away and hear it fall, and I'm like, no, that didn't just happen. No way that happened. Yeah, it happened. And that's how you walk away with stuff like this. And so I've been lucky in a year, just a dented corner, no damaged front, no damaged camera, damaged back, nothing like that. I've been lucky. So you might want to pick up a case for this. And with those curved edges, a lot of people say that it causes ghost touches and it stops them from being able to scroll sometimes or from clicking on something. I've never experienced this. I don't know how you hold your device, but for me, this is usually how I hold mine, or hold it like this and use this finger to flick, and I've never had any issues with that. So yeah, and also if you add on a case, that will also stop you from holding the edges, and so you won't experience that to begin with. So I went with the mirror gray. And it has two other colors, but yeah, I just like the way that gray looked. That gray is so amazing. The only thing with that is it's a fingerprint magnet. So you're gonna have to walk around with one of these all the time. I catch myself doing this several times a day to keep that thing shiny. And so maybe that's another reason you would want to pick up a case. And with a year out, there will be several cases for you to choose from. So that shouldn't be a problem. Now, when it comes to getting into your phone, that's one thing you're not going to have to worry about, because this fingerprint sensor is so fast. I could do this all day. This is like a 99.99999% accuracy. It swap hands, boom. The fingerprint sensor is definitely the way to go in my book. But if you don't like the fingerprint sensor, and one of the best features, which is another reason I didn't get the OnePlus 8 Pro, because I liked the pop-up camera. Now pay attention up here. Turn the screen off, press the power button, pops up, boom. Now, as you can see, there goes the camera. I double click for the camera. But as you can see, I'm in a dark room, dark environment. Keep double clicking to open the camera. But dark environment, there goes the power saving mode. No issue. I guess while we're on the power saving mode, you just saw I hit 15%. What a better way to lead into it. I hit 15% the battery saver popped on. I hardly ever use that though because of the battery life is so awesome. Now, if I scroll over, this is my dashboard. You can see stuff like the amount of data you use, the available storage you have left, and the battery. I'm at 15% battery right now. If you hit battery, you'll see the last full charge was 12 hours ago. I am currently going on 6 hours and 56 minutes of screen on time. Now, I'm a heavy user. I use my phone from the minute I wake up till the minute it dies. And so at 15% right now, I predict I should at least get about 7 hours and 45 minutes to 8 hours screen on time. But battery usage is subjective. Everyone uses their phone differently. Everyone downloads different apps. So battery use is going to come down to how you use your phone. And now, I went with, you can go down here, scroll down to about phone, and you can see the specs of this phone. Snapdragon 855, 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage. The 48, 16, 8 megapixel triple camera on the rear. The full display. And as you can see right now, it's on Android 10. Now, when this phone came out a year ago, it was on Android 9. I got the update to Android 10. I don't remember exactly. I want to say sometime in January or February. Not sure how long they're going to support this phone. But yeah, it's currently on Android 10. And because it's on Android 10, this is one of the only devices I've never felt the need to install a launcher on. The OnePlus launcher, in my book, is the way to go. You can customize it from pretty much everything. Here's the launcher layout if you want to have all of the apps on your screen, or if you want a home screen and drawer. Boom, you can go from right there. You have your hidden space, your screen layout, your notifications, your drawers, all that stuff from there. And so when it comes down to it, I've never felt the need to go and install a launcher. Let's see if I can remember how to get to that. If I recall right. Yeah, no. Is it customization? So there it is right there. So here you can choose your wallpapers, the clock style on your home screen, the different type of fingerprint animations you want it to show up on your lock screen when you unlock your phone. I'll discard that because I like the one I have. Even in here, you can choose your icon packet. Here's your icon package you can choose from. You can go with the circular version, the OnePlus, the round circular version, the square, or you can hit this, go and download more from the Play Store. I like the square pack. I've never had an issue with that. That's the one I enjoy. And here you can go to your colors. As you see now, I'm going with like the red and gray. If you just click one from here, you can choose to make it a little bit darker. You can choose different colors. And so right now it's red and gray. If you click save, scroll down now, that's how simple it is to change your theme. So yeah, this device is just a beast. I love using this device. You're going to enjoy it for all of your video viewing experiences, your gaming experience. Wait, hold up. Whoa. Did somebody say something about gaming? Oh, yeah, sure. I'd love to play some games. Let's dive in. Here goes little Sonic. Let's see what we can get here. Let's go, Sonic. No, I lost me rings. No. Oh, well. Damn, I killed Sonic. All right, let's hop out of this one. Let's try let's go with some Mario Kart. Dive in on some Mario Kart. Now, remember, for all my gaming, I am behind the camera. So, yeah, just remember that. I ain't trash. It's just I'm behind the camera. Let's go ahead and start that out. Get some Toad action. And as you can see, or hear rather, the speakers are super loud. Come on, let's get some action. Here we go. Let's go, Toad. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go. Oh no. Okay, I'm still in first. We good. We good. Oh, I'm slowed down. I slowed down. My bad, Toad. Let's go. I got inked. I got inked. I think we can pull this out, though. We still in second. Drop that. There we go. As you can see, this 90 hertz display, you are going to have no issue keeping up with all the games you like. I'm probably yelling right now. But boom, baby. First place. But why stop there? Let's dive into another one. I'm probably yelling right now, but that's what you do when you start playing games. Here goes some zombie action right here. Let's go ahead and dive right here. Let's see what we can do with this one. See, as you see, jumping from game to game, no lag. This phone is a beast. They coming. I'm not really the biggest fan of this gun. Let's go. We got the captain over here. Oh no, she ducked. She ducked. They're starting to swarm on me. Got to take big boy out before he get too close. And as you can see, this is handling every game we've thrown at it so far. Let's keep it moving. What's coming up next? Reload. Oh, no. Yo. Headshot. Boom. They still coming. Yeah, buddy. Let's throw a grenade over there. Boom. What you got? Yo, I'm ready, son. Reload. Throw one of these. Gotcha. As you can hear, these speakers are super loud. Look at these angles. With the all-screen display, you don't have to worry about your game being interrupted with any type of punch out or anything. Yeah, buddy. This level's a little longer than I thought it would be, but I haven't played this one, so this is a new one for you and me. Yeah. And they still coming. Come on. What else you got? You can hear those speakers. Oh, big boy right here. Oh, we missed him. We missed. The shotgun isn't accurate, yo. This is a long level. Let's go. Stay down. Nice. Yo, there's still more? I thought we was done. Alright. just let me show off this display. And see, as you can see, if you're still watching, no lag. We have jumped between 3 games with no problems at all. And I'm at 13% battery. The phone isn't even close to overheating. Oh, I'm getting surrounded. Oh, I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna go down, yo. Yo, are we gonna make it? So close, so close. Come on, go down, big boy. Nice. Boom. Just like that. Now let's go ahead and check out some media. And when it comes down to watching your movies, your Netflix, your Hulu, your Crunchyroll, etc., or when you come to YouTube to watch one of my videos, subscribe, you can see you are going to love this display. This display is so dope. Look at that. That is clean. And you heard from the gaming sample, these speakers get loud. Let's take a listen to these speakers. And only come with 6 hours of playtime, yeah, that bothers me just a little bit. So when you get to work, if you have there's the bottom speaker, shift, you put them in when you start. There's the top speaker. You have to charge up by lunchtime. There's no getting around that. This display is so dope. You are gonna love every time you go to watch something on here. And now when it comes down to the camera, you're gonna like this camera. You can see there goes your 3x zoom, there goes your 1x, and then there goes your ultra wide. You are gonna get some nice shots from this camera. As you can see, that was a simple point and shoot camera, just like that. And here's some samples of what you can get from this camera. You can see all of those colors in that photo. I mean, come on. And there goes the front-facing camera. Yeah, you're definitely going to like these cameras. A lot of people don't like the cameras on the OnePlus because they believe that the OnePlus company hypes up their cameras and don't deliver. But, and see, there goes the close-up. There goes the second. And then there goes the furthest away. A lot of people feel OnePlus don't deliver on the cameras. But you see for yourself, these are some good cameras. There goes another pop-up camera, pop-up photo. And now if you go to the camera, you can see for your video, you have 4K 60, you have 4K, you have 1080p 60, and you have 1080. Then you have your regular photo, you have your portrait mode, you have your nightscape, and then you have all of those extras if the ones before wasn't enough from you. You are going to love the cameras on the OnePlus 7 Pro. And I mean, with the excellent phone call quality, the calls are crystal clear. I have never had anyone complain about not being able to hear me or anything like that. The long battery life, let's check it out. You see I'm currently on 2%. Let's go ahead and check it out. 13 hours full charge. I'm on 8 hours screen on time. I mean, what else can you ask for? That is amazing battery life, and I'm a heavy user. And with that and all of the extra that the OnePlus features, you're going to enjoy this phone. What else can I say? On eBay, you can find this phone for around $250. There are some deals on this device, and you can find it brand new for $450, $500 right now. I mean, what else can I say? This is the 1-year review of the OnePlus 7 Pro. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Deuces.